Jay Bird, welcome to Arbroath Football Club. You signed last night. First of all, how does it feel? And tell us about your journey here.
No, it's good. It's obviously been thought about over the last couple of days, but definitely felt like it was the right move. So it's good to be here. It's good to kick on and finally get some goals.
And the fans obviously seen you come on as a trialist for the second half down at Stirling Albion. Many of the fans that were there were very impressed by your performance, especially your goal. How was it to just be thrown into the deep end?
I mean, it's always hard to be fair, but as soon as I came in, they had to make me feel welcome, the gaffer, everyone around the club, so it made it a lot easier. And then obviously playing on the pitch and scoring, so I couldn't really have a better first game.
And so a little bit about your footballing past. Just 22 years old,
22.
and you started at Milton Keynes Dons at the age of 8. Is that correct?
Yeah, started at 8, came all the way through the academy, done 3 years as a professional, and then moved on to Dagenham last season, and I'm here today. So.
And obviously you probably know a little bit about the Scottish Championship, some big teams in this league. Do you have any aspirations for the season ahead?
Just to get as many goals as possible, help the club move up the table and hopefully get promotion.
Well, it's been an absolute pleasure meeting you this morning, and good luck for the new season. I'm sure we'll be talking to you very soon.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Cheers. Thank you.